how to buy JailMurad token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram also, they included on the REFERRAL account. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 11 hours ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 99%. Made your investment in the safe place. Now, as you can see, this token, it's trending number 2 on Solana's action index screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and this token, as you can see, came under the Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. Now click on swap here, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token on this. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. And now as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now click here to select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a JailMurad token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.